I'm starting by pre-drilling some holes I need for my bugles to go in the sides to hold the corners together. These planks are treated pine that I got. They're 2400 long, 50mm wide and 200mm high. For the short size of my garden bed, I cut 2 of these planks in half. So all up you need 6 of these to make 1 garden bed. The most important part to get done, or started, was this corner piece to make the garden all symmetrical. Took me ages, but I finally did get it. After that, I had to make sure everything was level, and once I thought that it was level and where it should be, then I use one of the short star posts to hammer in and drill a screw to hold it still. As I was going, just for the corners, I was using 1 bugle screw right in the middle where the 2 boards meet, so that if I had to, I could tilt a board either way to try and get it all nice and flush together. The longest part of this was actually getting the bottom base done. Once it was all square and level, I put all the rest of the star posts in, and then the top goes on much faster. I've been trying to get as much done as I can before Brad turns up, just to see if I could do it, but I'm only putting half the amount of screws in that I probably should for now, so that when he comes home, if he looks at it and says there's a problem, then it's not too hard to kind of undo and fix. But I'm actually feeling pretty good. It looks pretty level, and I think I've got it the right distance away from the other garden bed and I think it's square. We'll see. And yes, with all that light under there, I'm gonna have to get dirt and backfill, but I'll use the sand on this place to just level it out a bit, the same as I did with that bed over there. Show you, because this bed also had the same trouble because the ground's not even, and we, I'm not going to get a machine to try and flatten it out because we can make it work. Well, I didn't lie before. I said I was going to put half the screws in, but it's looking really good, so I'm just putting everything in that I need to. And I've only got 5 more of these left, which is exactly what I need to finish this garden bed, which is cool, but that means I can't build my second one. So I'm going to have to go shopping, spend more money. Let's see how square it is, all level. I don't think I did too bad. Some of them I knew I was making, like you could be pedantic about that, but let me, like that. But it's pretty good, I think. I guess I could probably say this is technically my first carpentry job. And I am a little bit impressed. Thanks for watching.